Uy, hi guys! Welcome to my room, kwarto ko. Hindi, joke lang. Uy, hi guys! Welcome to my room, kwarto ko. Hindi, joke lang. Ito yung room tour natin sa Sheraton Resort, Mactan. So, come in. I'll tour you around. So, as you can see guys, meron tayong mini hallway. If that's what you call it. Before you get to the room or to the bed. So, here, few steps lang, mga 5 steps. Makita nyo na yung bed diretso, straightforward lang. I think this is the basic room here in Sheraton that we booked. So makita nyo dito, let's go here. So yung clock nya, medyo, what do you call this, like minimalist and digital. You have the lamps. Of course, andito yung mga switches natin for TV, bedside nightlight, master reading, USB port. And then we also have the plug-in outlets. We also have a mini cabinet here. You can store in some, we have, of course, the Bible. You can store in some bag here or your phone or your notebook if you are doing something with your notes. And then here, the bed, we have 4 pillows and then blanket. So, subukan natin upuan. Comfy siya. I like it. So, I hope I'm 6-footer by the way, so tingnan ko pa kung kasya ako dito. Kasya naman siguro ako dito. Baka maglalampas ng konti yung pa ako. But anyway, it's good. Okay? And then here, you can see I think this is the freebies, snacks, snack mix, mango strings. And if you open this, kita nyo parang cabinet lang siya. So, open nyo yan. Meron siyang mga what do you call this? Like, anong tawag dito?
Drawers.
Drawers, yeah. Yan, drawers. Kita nyo, pwede nyo lagyan dyan yung coffee nyo or mga snacks nyo. Like yung mga cookies. Yeah. And then ito. Yan. So ito, kung titignan nyo, ito yung mini fridge natin. So let's try to open it. Let's try to check kung sa'yo nakadiri or anong meron dito. So, pretty much basic. We have sparkling water, of course Heineken beer. I think this is also sparkling water or mineral water. Just basic regular water. Chocolates, dark chocolates. Pretty straightforward. So yan. And meron tayong bottled water, 3. Yung remote natin, Samsung, Wi-Fi ready siguro to. And I think this is a 32-inch TV. And we have the mugs here, coffee. So yan, makikita nyo yung Coffee Mate, yung mga tea natin nandito. We have 2 glasses and we also have 2 mugs. And heater or kettle. So yan, table. Makikita nyo dito, workstation, pwede kayo kumain dito. If you're on a business trip, you can do your business here. May mga outlet din tayo dito to plug in your devices. And ito, I like this. Usually, ito yung hinahanap ko. If I'm in a hotel, staying for a night or 2, maganda to. Like, you can relax here kung titignan nyo. This is what I normally do. You know, yung laptop nyo dito sa lap nyo. Or, you know, you're on your phone, searching, or, you know, grab ba, or ano ba yung gusto nyong gawin. So, depende. So, of course, comms natin, where we can communicate if we have requests. And then, yung mga, ito yung mga, I think, amenities nila dito. Makikita nyo dito yung mga, instructions, outlets, lamp, of course, notepad with the pen, and another drawer you can store in your phone or yung mga notebook nyo or pwede din laptop devices nyo. Yan. And maganda dito kasi may balcony tayo. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung balcony natin. So, let's go. So, ito. Kita nyo, okay naman yung space niya. Sakto lang. So, ito, a place where to hang your wet clothes. If you're out in the beach, in the pool, you wanna let it dry here. And makikita nyo, ito, hindi na to parte ng hotel. This is already the residence. So, I think this is already the villas, the condominium. So, residential na to, na spot area. So, they also have their pool. So, we're just right across the residence. So, ito, pakita natin to dito. Where you can chill in your balcony. I don't know if you can smoke here. The usual. Relaxing. Okay lang, chill. Good vibes. And yan. Pretty much straightforward, guys. So yan. Straightforward lang tayo. Makita nyo yung lugar. Okay naman. If I would rate this, siguro 7 out of 10. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung CR. Itong door na to, so I think kung may kasama kayo, dalawang room na book nyo, pwede nyo itong i-open. So, parang connecting na room siya. So, ito, pakita natin yung bathroom or yung CR comfort room. So, ito yung bathroom natin. Spacious siya. Maganda yung height niya. I'm 6-footer by the way, so maganda. So, pretty much straightforward din. Ito yung shower area natin. So, maganda. Ito yung maganda dito kay pwede kang umupo while you're taking a shower, pagod ka. Pakita nyo yung ito. Pakita natin to. Yung shower head niya nasa taas. So, it's like more rain feels or rain shower yung feel niya. Ito, pwede nyo lagyan yung mga sabon nyo. We have the body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and the lavatory area. Good pressure. We have our towels here. Another mirror here. Vanity mirror. Outlets, plug-in outlets to plug in your blower. So we also have the body lotion, tissue, skincare bar. I think this is the warm oak soap with aloe vera, and then the mirror. Good amount of size. Makita yung pretty much yung full body nyo. You can really prepare yourself here very well. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And here we have the bathrobe 2. And pakita natin tong cabinet. So yan, this is a place where you can hang your clothes. So dito, sleepers natin, yung iron, fire extinguisher, hangers. And then dito, pwede nyo lagyan siguro yung mga sapatos nyo. Yung mga sneakerheads dyan. May mga Jordan, Louis Vuitton, Dior na shoes. You wanna put them in a nice spot, na aesthetic pa rin. You wanna keep them in a good place. I think this is a good place to put it. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And here, the other side, hindi mawawala yung safe. Pwede nyo lagyan yung mga jewelries nyo dyan, wallet ba siguro, or phones, or watches nyo. Yan. May code yan. And drawers, where you can put your socks siguro, or underwear. Yung mga easy to grab lang after nyo maligo, diretso na. Yan, to, added space. Siguro pwede nyo lagyan dito yung mga, pwede din siguro yung phone nyo, while naliligo kayo, just leave your phone here. And ito, so sa previous vlog ko, ito yung paborito ko. This is where we do our business. This is where I do our business. Thinking process for us all. So, medyo murag Japan feel siya. Hindi siya like wala siyang bidet. Kasi like intact na. Nasa built-in na yung bidet niya. Kasi nga Japan, usually Japan makikita niyo yung mga ganito. Na klase na, what do you call this? Ano tawag ito? Toilet, yeah. And ito, This is a safety feature. Kita nyo kung may PWD or elderly. This is safe. Solid. Nice. For added safety. Yan to. Painting. Yung basura natin. Tissue. And this is the, I think this is the emergency button kung kailangan nyo ng assistant or in case of emergency, you can press this. Pretty much straightforward. Bathroom. I like it. Good amount of space. Yeah, it's cool.